Hello everyone, this is Native Man. In this video, we are going to solve this radical expression, square root of negative 9 is equal to. So some say that if the radicand is negative, then there is no value of its square root. But if you extend your idea about algebra, then there is a possible value of a negative or square root of negative number. Okay, so let's try to solve. What is the square root of negative 9? If a radicand is a negative number, then think of this value. Square root of negative 1 is equal to I. So I means imaginary. Okay? So we are going to factor negative 9. And the possible factors can be positive 9 and negative 1. If you multiply 9 times negative 1, that is negative 9. Okay? So if there are two numbers in a radicand and it is multiplication, we're going to separate. So can be written as square root of 9 times square root of negative 1. And notice here, positive 9 is a perfect square number. So we can simplify that one as positive 3 and then square root of negative 1, its value is I, imaginary, so times I. So mean to say, square root of negative 9 can be equal to 3I or 3 times imaginary. Thanks for watching guys. If you like this video, please click like and then subscribe if you are not done yet for more video lesson.